There were two of us on 2 horses trotting along the main road to get to the lanes around the village, and we came across this lorry driver. Very nice, slowed right down through us and went past us very safely, and we thanked him. And we're then approaching the speed ramp, and this first speed ramp into the village is quite a sharp speed ramp. This lorry was just not slowing down at all. He just went straight over the speed ramp without stopping or slowing down at all. In slow motion, you can see him bouncing up onto the speed ramp. You can see the suspension bouncing around. You can see them then sort of coming off the speed ramp down the other side of it, and again bouncing around. And then what's more amazingly, his rear wheels leave the ground. Amazing. So he doesn't slow down for horses, and he doesn't slow down for speed ramps.